Hi everyone, today we have a short review of Reebok Women's Royal Classic Jogger 3 sneakers. These are made in Vietnam. US size is 6, which corresponds to European 36, for the length of the foot of 23 centimeters. These are white sneakers, so they are packed in such a simple box. No sizing, no anything. Let's open and see. That's how they look like. Classic, as they're called. Pure white, with only black letters of a manufacturer. Only one pair of shoelaces, but they are made with such glittering things inside, plus kind of glittering emblem on the tongue. The tongue is padded. Also the collar is padded, so should be comfortable. Also they are made of a rubber outsole, synthetic suede, synthetic leather, and mesh upper. The mesh upper was the reason we bought these, because we were looking everywhere for classic looking sneakers made with mesh without any padding inside, for good breathability. Because usually when you buy sneakers made up with mesh, it's usually padded with something, and breathability is pretty low. So these should have good breathability. All in all, nothing special, but they look quite cute. We're happy that we bought them. We bought them in England for £32 on sale. Their full price is £43 plus shipping. Of course, well, that's kind of all. Put your thumbs up, subscribe, and see you at the next review. Thank you.